about the overall risk appetite in the market right now?
Well, it's really telling us investors are pro-risk. I do think it also just signals how much capital has been idle for the last couple of years, either parked in money market cash or waiting to see if the economy survived. So I think Bitcoin rising is to me, breaking out of a holding pattern is a precursor to what the S&P is going to do the rest of the year. There's a lot of macro to digest the next 3 weeks. Tomorrow is the jobs report, and I think
Bitcoin's historic rally has just shattered another milestone. After rocketing past the $100,000 mark, it's now hovering near $98,000. The legendary market strategist Tom Lee, who boldly predicted this move when Bitcoin was at just $77,000, has again proven his foresight. Remember how he accurately called the S&P 500 surge well ahead of time? This latest crypto prediction is no fluke. Lee believes that a colossal $7 trillion in sideline cash is itching to flood into the markets. If Bitcoin's big breakout is any indication, this money tsunami is still on the horizon. As we edge toward the year's end, everyone is wondering what comes next. Tom Lee isn't shy about his optimism. He's calling for Bitcoin to reach $225,000 by the end of 2025. But where should investors put their money now? Bitcoin's dramatic jumps are thrilling but can be a wild ride. There are more stable avenues for those looking to capitalize on crypto's upward trajectory without taking on the same level of volatility. Today, we're spotlighting 5 stocks deeply connected to Bitcoin either through massive holdings at bargain basement prices or by directly mining the digital gold themselves, giving them a unique edge as Bitcoin prices soar. In this video, we'll break down these 5 must-watch stocks that stand to benefit hugely from Bitcoin's next leg up. Let's kick off our list with the titan of Bitcoin allocation, MicroStrategy Incorporated, ticker symbol MSTR. MicroStrategy isn't just another software company, it's essentially transformed itself into a strategic vehicle for Bitcoin exposure. Under the visionary leadership of Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy currently holds an astonishing 222,120 Bitcoins, positioning it as one of the largest corporate Bitcoin holders on the planet. This is no timid bet. The company's aggressive accumulation strategy, fueled by low-interest financing and a conviction that Bitcoin will become the new gold standard, has powered its stock price to soar over 500% in 2024 alone. Think about that. While legacy players tiptoed around digital assets, MicroStrategy leapt in headfirst, leveraging its balance sheet to lock in vast amounts of Bitcoin at significantly lower average prices. If Bitcoin's recent $100,000 milestone is any indicator, this firm's vault of digital gold could skyrocket in value as more sideline capital, some $7 trillion, floods into the markets. And that's just the start. With Saylor's 21-21 plan aiming to accumulate even more coins, MicroStrategy stands ready to ride Bitcoin's continued rally. For investors seeking a powerful way to tap into Bitcoin's upside without holding the asset directly, MicroStrategy is a proven trailblazer poised for exponential growth as crypto adoption accelerates. Next up on our Bitcoin-linked shortlist is Marathon Digital Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol MARA, a data center and mining powerhouse currently holding an impressive 26,842 Bitcoins. Marathon Digital isn't just another crypto miner, it's rapidly becoming a pivotal force in the digital asset ecosystem. With a massive 1.5 gigawatts of capacity, 65% of which it fully owns, MARA enjoys a level of cost control and efficiency that competitors only dream about. This integrated approach not only slashes operational expenses but also positions Marathon for exceptional scalability as computing demand in the digital economy continues to surge. What sets MARA apart is its uncanny ability to secure resources at rock-bottom rates. Consider their Ohio data centers, acquired at roughly $500 per operating kilowatt, well below the $900 to $1,500 range of peers. On top of that, a deal for electricity at a jaw-dropping 1 cent per kilowatt hour gives them an industry-leading cost structure that translates directly into higher margins and outsized returns. As Bitcoin edges toward more mainstream adoption, amplified by that looming $7 trillion sitting on the sidelines, Marathon's substantial BTC holdings could skyrocket in value. With an aggressive strategy to scale computing power, this company is one to watch closely. By over 100% in the coming years, Mara stands poised to capture an outsized share of the upside. For investors eyeing Bitcoin's boom, Marathon Digital is an absolute must. Third on our Bitcoin-linked radar is Hut 8 Mining Corporation, ticker symbol HUT, a company that has steadily evolved from a pure Bitcoin miner into a more diversified digital infrastructure powerhouse, holding an impressive 9,102 Bitcoins in reserve. Hut 8 isn't standing still. As Bitcoin's momentum intensifies, the company has strategically streamlined its mining fleet, bringing offline outdated miners and preparing for a pivotal hardware upgrade that promises enhanced efficiency and improved cost-effectiveness. This disciplined approach is critical in a power-hungry environment where every joule and terahash can drive greater profits. Hut 8 also maintains a flexible business model that isn't just about cranking out more Bitcoin, it's about doing so smarter, with an eye toward integrating cutting-edge cooling solutions, energy optimization, and advanced data center designs. Moreover, Hut 8 is positioning itself for an evolving market by leveraging its high-performance computing capabilities. This forward-thinking move allows it to tap into emerging trends like AI and cloud services, unlocking fresh revenue streams beyond Bitcoin mining alone. As institutional investors and major players eye digital assets more seriously, Hut 8's diversified approach, operational discipline, and robust Bitcoin treasury set the stage for significant upside potential. Looking ahead to 2025, expected fleet upgrades and improved efficiencies should bolster margins. Hut 8's strategy and adaptability make it a standout contender to capitalize on both Bitcoin's growth and the broader digital infrastructure boom. Our fourth pick, Riot Platforms Incorporated, ticker symbol Riot, is another standout name in the Bitcoin mining ecosystem. Currently holding 8,490 Bitcoins and demonstrating a clear commitment to aggressive scaling and efficiency, Riot is no stranger to ambitious expansion, and the latest numbers speak volumes. In November, the company produced 495 Bitcoins, adding to a consistent track record of month-over-month gains, even when compared to the 552 Bitcoins mined last year. More importantly, Riot's total Bitcoin holdings have surged a remarkable 55% year-over-year, underscoring its disciplined HODL strategy that builds lasting asset value. The company's operating hash rate has also jumped by 133% in just 1 month, a testament to relentless infrastructure enhancements and equipment upgrades. This growth-focused approach positions Riot to capitalize on the next wave of crypto adoption. Its vertically integrated strategy and advanced data centers, coupled with robust energy procurement deals, enable Riot to optimize costs and maintain margins even through Bitcoin's notorious market cycles. As a result, Riot isn't just piling up Bitcoins, it's future-proofing its operations for a market that could see a multi-trillion-dollar influx of capital. For investors seeking a company poised to seize both higher Bitcoin prices and the broader expansion of digital asset infrastructure, Riot offers a compelling, scalable model that's hard to ignore. Rounding out our list is CleanSpark Incorporated, ticker symbol CLSK, a fast-growing Bitcoin miner with 6,154 Bitcoins held in treasury, showcasing substantial operational growth and a robust expansion strategy. CleanSpark's aggressive capacity-building approach sets it apart. In the face of mounting competition and rising network difficulty, the company continues to invest heavily in its own infrastructure, moving swiftly to upgrade and expand its mining operations. This focus on scaling doesn't just mean more mining machines, it means more megawatts of capacity, more efficient operations, and a growing share of the global hash rate. The result? CleanSpark is well positioned to mine increasingly larger numbers of Bitcoins at competitive production costs. Beyond raw output, CleanSpark's substantial Bitcoin holdings are a strategic asset. With more than 6,000 BTC in reserve, the company has a strong correlation to Bitcoin's price trajectory. As Sideline Capital, remember Tom Lee's forecast of $7 trillion, begins flowing into markets and potentially into Bitcoin, CleanSpark's balance sheet is primed for a significant value boost. When Bitcoin surges, CleanSpark's treasury becomes a powerful lever for exponential equity returns, potentially amplifying upside beyond the gains of just holding the cryptocurrency itself. For investors seeking exposure to Bitcoin's growth through a firmly established miner with a proven track record of operational scaling, CleanSpark presents a compelling choice. Its capacity expansion, treasury strength, and strategic vision sets the stage for capturing meaningful upside as crypto markets heat up again.